Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. That's why I'm leaving a piece in
Yeah, good job. Good
because I
job.
already took a profit. So now it's, you never know. Right. So,
That's right. Now it can go to the cows come home, but now you've got a small amount that doesn't really go against you hard and take away the money you made, right?
right.
Love it. Oh my gosh. You're
Time to
Yep.
write some covered
Great
call.
coaching. Great coaching for those
secret.
who are listening on the interwebs. This is great coaching. The VIP gives a lot of confidence and adds to that tool belt.
Thank you.
And I really think that it helps. So, coach isn't telling me how to play this. If anybody who's hearing, I'm playing this on my own. I'm playing it based on what I've learned, levels, watching the volume. And for more advanced folks, like, I'm learning the level 2 and looking at the price action. So, and that's working out really good for me. So, thank you, coach.
That's awesome. Very proud of you, Deviant girl. You are crushing the game. I love your face.